Have you ever wondered why sea turtles are so important to our oceans? Welcome to the magical world of sea turtles, ancient mariners that have been gracing the depths of the seas for millions of years. These creatures, with their graceful movements and gentle demeanor, encapsulate the beauty and wonder of the marine environment. There are 7 species of sea turtles, each with its own unique charm. From the green turtles, known for their herbivorous diet of seagrasses, to the loggerheads with their strong jaws, and the leatherbacks, the largest of them all and the only one without a hard shell. Each species paints a vibrant stroke on the canvas of our oceans. These marine reptiles inhabit a variety of habitats, from the tropical waters of the Coral Triangle to the temperate seas of the Mediterranean. They embark on impressive long-distance migrations, navigating thousands of miles between their feeding grounds and nesting beaches. But why are these graceful swimmers so important? As both herbivores and omnivores, sea turtles play a critical role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. They control the populations of seagrasses and jellyfish, ensuring the balance of life beneath the waves. Their feeding habits promote healthy seagrass beds and coral reefs, benefiting a wide range of marine life. Moreover, sea turtles boost local economies through ecotourism. Their nesting and hatching events are incredible spectacles that attract tourists from around the world. However, their journey through life is fraught with challenges. The survival of these ancient mariners is threatened by numerous human-induced factors that we will discuss in the upcoming scenes. As we dive deeper into the world of sea turtles, we'll uncover the threats they face, the conservation efforts in place to protect them, and how we can all play a part in ensuring their survival. These fascinating creatures play a vital role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. So let's embark on this journey to explore the enchanting yet precarious world of sea turtles. Sea turtles are magnificent creatures serving as key players in the ocean's complex food web. These ancient mariners, with their seemingly tranquil and unhurried approach to life, carry on their backs a responsibility that is crucial to the health of our oceans. As we delve into their role in the ecosystem, it's essential to remember that sea turtles are herbivores or omnivores, meaning they feed on a variety of marine plant and animal life. This dietary habit makes them vital in controlling the populations of seagrasses and jellyfish. Seagrass beds are important habitats and breeding grounds for numerous species of fish and other marine life. Sea turtles, particularly the green turtles, are one of the few creatures that eat seagrass. By grazing on these underwater meadows, they prevent the grasses from overgrowing and suffocating the habitats. These sea turtles are often referred to as the lawn mowers of the sea, maintaining the health and productivity of the seagrass beds. On the other hand, some sea turtles, like the giant leatherback, have a diet primarily made up of jellyfish. By preying on jellyfish, these turtles help keep jellyfish populations in check, preventing outbreaks that could disrupt the balance of marine ecosystems. However, the role of sea turtles extends beyond just being part of the food chain. Their nesting habits also contribute to beach ecosystems, as the discarded eggshells provide nutrients for vegetation, while unhatched eggs and hatchlings that don't make it to the sea serve as food for other animals. From the seagrass beds to the sandy beaches, every aspect of the sea turtle's life contributes to the richness and diversity of our ocean ecosystems. Their existence ensures a balanced and thriving marine environment. Yet, despite their importance, sea turtles face numerous threats in today's world. The very survival of these remarkable creatures hangs in the balance, and with it, the health of the oceans they help to sustain. From pollution to climate change, sea turtles are fighting for survival every day. These ancient mariners, graceful and resilient, face a myriad of threats in our modern world that jeopardize their existence. Pollution, particularly plastic waste, poses a significant danger. As sea turtles cannot distinguish between edible food and plastic debris, they often ingest these harmful materials. This not only damages their digestive systems, but can also lead to starvation and eventually, death. Habitat destruction is another major threat. As coastal development continues unabated, nesting beaches vital for the survival of these species are disappearing. Without safe and secure places to lay their eggs, the future generations of sea turtles are at risk. Climate change, too, is taking a toll. Rising sea temperatures affect the sex ratio of hatchlings, with warmer temperatures producing more females. This imbalance could have serious implications for the future breeding population. Moreover, rising sea levels and increased storm activity can wash away nests and further degrade vital nesting beaches. Entanglement in fishing gear is yet another hazard. Thousands of sea turtles are accidentally caught in fishing nets every year. Unable to reach the surface to breathe, many drown or sustain severe injuries that drastically reduce their chances of survival. But perhaps the most heartbreaking of all threats is the illegal trade of sea turtles. Despite international protection, poaching of these magnificent creatures for their meat, shells, and eggs continues. This unsustainable exploitation has pushed some species to the brink of extinction. In the face of these threats, it is easy to feel overwhelmed. But we must remember that every challenge presents an opportunity for change. As stewards of the ocean, it is our responsibility to protect these ancient mariners and the habitats they rely on for survival. By understanding the threats they face, we can take steps to mitigate them and ensure that sea turtles continue to grace our oceans for generations to come. Conservation is a beacon of hope for these threatened creatures. When we talk about conservation, we are talking about the preservation of life, the safeguarding of biodiversity, and the protection of our shared planet. Sea turtles, in their quiet grace, are at the forefront of these efforts. The preservation of their habitats and their species is a mission that involves individuals, communities, and nations alike. It is a mission that brings together the power of law enforcement, the diligence of scientific research, and the spirit of public education. One significant stride in this mission is the establishment of marine protected areas. These are like sanctuaries in the ocean, places where sea turtles and other marine life can thrive undisturbed. They are refuges from the ravages of overfishing, pollution, and destructive human activities. But the battle isn't only fought in the water. On land, efforts are being made to reduce plastic pollution. Each discarded bottle, each abandoned bag is a potential death sentence for a curious sea turtle. By reducing our reliance on single-use plastics and cleaning up our coastlines, we can create safer environments for these marine travelers. Equally important are the laws that protect sea turtles from poaching and illegal trade. These laws, enforced by vigilant authorities, serve as a barrier against the greed and carelessness that threaten these creatures. But laws are only as strong as their enforcement, and that's where the power of community comes into play. Community education is a vital aspect of conservation. When people understand the value of sea turtles, the role they play in the ecosystem, and the threats they face, they become allies in their protection. Through local initiatives and global campaigns, we can spread awareness and inspire action. Each of these efforts is a piece of the puzzle, a step on the path to preservation. And while the journey is long and the challenges many, the goal is clear and the resolve unyielding. By working together to address these challenges, we can ensure that sea turtles continue to grace our oceans for generations to come. As we look to the future, let's remember the silent call of the sea turtle. A call to protect, to preserve, and to respect the life that shares our world. The survival of sea turtles is a testament to the resilience of nature. These ancient mariners have graced our oceans for millions of years, playing a vital role in maintaining the health of marine ecosystems. Their graceful movements and gentle presence embody the beauty and wonder of the marine environment. As herbivores and omnivores, sea turtles help to control populations of seagrasses and jellyfish, ensuring the balance of life in the ocean. They are fascinating creatures, and their survival is intrinsically linked to the health of the marine world they inhabit. Yet, despite their importance, sea turtles face numerous threats in today's world. Pollution, habitat destruction, climate change, and entanglement in fishing gear are just some of the challenges that these magnificent creatures must overcome to survive. One of the greatest threats is the poaching of their eggs and hunting of adults for their meat and shells. Despite international protections, illegal trade continues to threaten many sea turtle populations around the world. But there is hope. As stewards of the oceans, it is our responsibility to protect these ancient mariners and the habitats they rely on for survival. Conservation efforts are underway worldwide, such as establishing marine protected areas, reducing plastic pollution, and enforcing laws against poaching. These initiatives are crucial for ensuring the long-term survival of sea turtles. Through beach monitoring programs, nesting site protection, and community education efforts, we are making strides in preserving these incredible creatures. The survival of sea turtles is a testament to the resilience of nature, but it also serves as a reminder of our responsibility to protect and preserve the natural world. So join us in preserving the beauty and diversity of marine life and protecting the precious lives that call it home. Together, we can ensure that sea turtles continue to grace our oceans with their presence for generations to come.